Sitting at the feet of Jesus, oh, what words I hear him say. Happy place so near, so precious, may it find me there each day. Sitting at the feet of Jesus, I would look upon the past, for his love has been so gracious, it has won my heart at last.
Maranatha, a daily devotional by Helen G. White. The nature of the final body. October 16. The Lord has opened his armory and has brought forth the weapons of his indignation. Jeremiah chapter 50 verse 25. At his own will God summons the forces of nature to overthrow the might of his enemies, fire and hail, snow and vapors, stormy wind, fulfilling his word. Psalms chapter 148, 8. When the heathen Amorites had set themselves to resist his purposes, God interposed, casting down great stones from heaven upon the enemies of Israel. We are told of a greater battle to take place in the closing scenes of Earth's history, when Jehovah has opened his armory and has brought forth the weapons of his indignation. Jeremiah chapter 50 verse 25. Hast thou, he inquires, entered into the treasures of the snow, or hast thou seen the treasures of the hail, which I have reserved against the time of trouble, against the day of battle and war? Job chapter 38 verse 22 and 23. The Revelator describes the destruction that is to take place when the great voice out of the temple of heaven announces, "It is done." He says, "There fell among men a great hail out of heaven, every stone about the weight of a talent." Revelation chapter 16 verse 17 and 21. In the last scenes of the earth's history, war will rage. The powers of evil will not yield up the conflict without a struggle, but providence has a part to act in the battle of Armageddon. The captain of the Lord's host will stand at the head of the angels of heaven to direct the battle. He on his vesture is written the name King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Leads forth the armies of heaven on white horses, clothed in fine linen, clean and white. When he shall come to the earth again, he will shake not the earth only, but also heaven. The earth shall rail to and from like cottage. The heaven shall be rolled together as a sprawl. The elements shall melt with fervent heat. The earth also and the works that are therein shall be burned up. But the Lord will be the hope of his people and the strength of the children of Israel. Hebrews chapter 12 verse 26. Isaiah chapter 24 verse 20. And Isaiah chapter 34 verse 4. 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 10. Joel chapter 3 verse 16. Thank you all for listening. Have a good day.
Surely, the Bible says in the book of Psalms, chapter 91, from verse 8 to verse 10, that, "Only with thine eyes shalt thou behold, and see the reward of the wicked, because thou hast made the Lord, which is my refuge, even the Most High, thy habitation. There shall no evil befall thee, neither shall any plague come nigh thy dwelling.